Yo, what's up? It's Logic. Make sure you subscribe to Dre's TV. All day, turn up, Rat Pack, Under Pressure, swag.
What is going on, guys? Reese here, back with another Descent video once again. In today's video is going to be my Crota and loot, and my Atheon, my Gorgon, all those old loot rewards. You guys asked for it, so here it is. I really miss these days. I still want to raid and stuff. Crota is still my favorite raid, and Atheon, I only do Gorgon to Atheon. I would want to do the whole thing, but I just don't have enough time for that. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Be sure to check out the social links in the description. Let's try and hit 50 likes on this video. That would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace! Alright, let's see this. God. Woo! I'm not even gonna kill myself because it doesn't fucking show sometimes. I got Mythal class. Woohoo! Oh, talking about the last word. Dude, I want it! Again! Woo! Ah! Nothing. Got him. Nothing. Nice. God. Oh yeah. Oh, I got hard light. Fucking finally an exotic from fucking Atheon. No Land Beyond. Where'd it go? Nothing. Dragon's Breath? I got it? I got it. Ooh! That shit's dumb. Alright, let's see. Walking Gallahorn. Sick. You got multi-tool. Hey. Oh my god. Oh, Monte Carlo. I got another fourth horseman. Nice. No, it's not. Give me something. What the fuck is it?
KYS.